I'm about 3/4 of the way done with the steps. It's taking a lot longer than I thought. This stuff was thick where it's almost not, they weren't even steps anymore. They were so built up. It was just slopes. It was like this all the way up. It was just built up to where you can't even see the step. It looked more like a level path. Now they're all nice steps. Like I said, this one route I gotta come check back out. But I brought everything I thought I needed. Camera, shovel, leaf blower, spare batteries, mini drone, my stalker. But I didn't bring any water. It's like the most important thing I need today. So I'm taking a break, cool down, because I'm completely soaked. And I still got, hopefully leaf blower move all that stuff. It's still kind of wet underneath because of the rain last night. Because I left my rake at home too. I think what I'm going to do is, some of these old power line holders, I might set them up on the side or something for people to take pictures. There's one back here. Oh, we got some sexy leopard lingerie. Somebody might want that. Yeah. I didn't notice that before. That's new. Alright, back at it. Well, kind of halfway there. We got a root right here. Pretty big. I'm gonna throw my chainsaw up here. I do have it in my truck. Got all the heavy debris off. I just got leaf bloat now. Huge pile in this corner. Over 40 years of buildup, which is now dirt. It's blacktop under there, but it's stone here. So I'm thinking at some point this was a patch job. And I got the steps down there, so I just have from there to here to do, and then top 2 steps. Leaf blow it off, and then I'll work my way down the path with whatever batteries I got left after that to clear this all the way down and maybe continue the railroad track. And it's supposed to rain around 3, so I'm trying to beat that. So we'll see how this goes. Alright, back at it. I was going to save the leaf blowing for last, but I got to take a break from the shoveling. It's killing me. And I didn't bring any water. So I'm going to relax and clean all the steps off now. So this before, and I'll do an after. That's after I leaf blew it twice. I might shovel this out too, because I think there's something under here on the bottom. It's just really built up. And I do see blacktop over here. So there might be another stone under here. So I'm going to shovel that out after when I do this route right here. So the steps are all nice and clean now. Cleanest they've been in over 40 years. I just got this little corner right here. And last step to shovel out. That's pretty thick there. And from this step up, all clean. I can clean the stones off so you can see them, all the leaves that were stuck in those. Nice photo spot for those videographers and people who like taking pictures. Alright, get back to shoveling. Alright, steps are cleared. I thought this was the last step. There was 2 more steps under this. This was built up from this step straight down. I shoved it all off the side over there. That was a workout. Now I'm gonna leaf blow one more time and I'll do a nice little final video on it. Safe walk now up the steps, except for there's one stone that's sticking up. All right. Well, I got the center steps cleared out. They're not perfect, but there's nothing that you can't see that you won't trip over. Bottom part where it meets the midway is kind of rough. That's it, I'm out of batteries. And I'm thirsty as hell. I'm going back to my truck and chug about 10 bottles of water. It's like the rain's holding on. If I get a drink, I might take a walk down to the Model A car or check out the train tracks, see if I can make more walking areas there. Probably not though, because I'm beat. I know once I sit down, that's it. I'm going to want to go home. Be continued. Or this will be the end of the video today. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Tell you what, I am so thirsty. So thirsty. I don't think I've ever been so thirsty. Oh man. How did I forget to bring water with me? I don't know. Oh doggy, that tastes good. Oh. Whew. Alright. Taking the water with me this time. Little drone's done. I'm out of batteries. The wind today wasn't helping it none at all. The wind makes the battery go down faster. I only had 3 batteries today. I left my 4th one at home. Big drone I might still fly yet, haven't decided. That battery's charged. Leave that one charged. Good. That one's good. Alright, let's go take a stroll.